everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you from my bathroom because today I'm going to be filming a get unready with me / like skincare routine video because I've recently changed up my skincare routine and I've really been loving it. So I just wanted to share it with you guys and do a little get unready with me because low-key been really liking watching these videos lately. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I post videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays, so you definitely don't want to miss it. So subscribe down below. Okay, the lighting's gonna probably be a little funky in this video, but we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so the first thing I do is I take a makeup wipe and I wipe off my mascara. I don't wipe any of my other makeup off, and you'll see why in a minute, but I do take a makeup wipe and wipe off my mascara. These are just the Wonder makeup wipes. I don't know, my mom buys them, I just use them. But yeah, so I'm gonna take this, and I always accidentally grab two, and then I have to shove it back in the package. So I'm going to take off my mascara. Okay, look at all. Ew, that's so gross. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put a headband on, that way I don't get a ton of like soap in my hair and everything. I normally pull my hair up, but I don't want to look bald for this video, so I'm gonna put a bright pink Lululemon headband on because there's nothing better than a hot pink Lululemon headband. So, okay, so before I wash my face, I'm gonna wash my hands because you don't want to like rub your face soap all over your hands because then the germs from your hands are just mixing into your face wash and that's just gross. So, gotta wash your hands. Now we can wash my face. So, I use the Biore Baking Soda Pore Cleanser. This face wash has changed my life. It's probably my favorite face wash I've ever used. Like, I'm not even joking. I started using this a few weeks ago and I love it. It's helped clear my skin a little bit and my skin just feels so clean. It is so refreshed after I use this. I swear by this face wash. It's my new favorite and I would definitely recommend it to anyone. I like the brand Biore in general. I've used some of their face masks and I love them. Anything Biore, really like Biore. So I'm gonna put some of this on my hand and just rub it on my skin. Actually, lately I've been washing my face twice. I was watching a Get Unready with me. I think it was Kenzie Elizabeth's, but I'm not exactly sure. And she basically said that she washes her face twice, once to get the makeup off and then once to like actually wash her face. And I've been doing that ever since and I just love the way my skin feels afterwards. So that's why I don't use a makeup wipe to wipe the rest of my makeup off. I just do it to brush my mascara off, or my mascara will be all over my face and I do not want that. So, okay, taking my washcloth. Gonna wash off my face. And then I just pat my face dry. And I do it all over again. So, taking the face wash again, put it on my hands, rubbing it together. Next, I'm using the Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer, and this is supposed to be really gentle on your skin. I honestly want to get the Cetaphil moisturizer, but this is the one I've been using right now. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face because it's really important to moisturize because you don't want to get a ton of wrinkles and everything when you get older. So I never know how much moisturizer to use though. I always get like way too much or way too little, so it's always a product. So yeah, okay. My skincare routine's like, literally I'm almost done. Like, I barely do anything because guys, if you have bad skin or just in general, less is more. Like, less is 100% more. I don't do that much to my skin, but like, less is more, ladies. Definitely got way too much, but you also have to rub it down your neck because I don't really know why, but that's just what people do. So I rub it down my neck as well. Okay. Then I always have way too much on my hand still, so you gotta wash that off. The last product I use is the Clinique Acne Solutions Clearing Gel. I used to use this a long time ago and I recently went back to it because I found it and I was like, I'm gonna use it again. Don't know if it helps, honestly. I don't know, but I use it. So yeah, it's really hard to squeeze out though. I'm just gonna squeeze some of this stuff out and just put it on any breakout. Put that on and I am done. So that was my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys with a new video on Saturday. Bye.